I'm sure everyone's seen these by now. Last time we got Knuckles. Let's see what we got this time. Where's the tear thing at? There it is. As long as I don't get a double. Don't want a double. Oh, I knew it. I knew it was her. I should have said it. I've been seeing people get this one left, right, and center, like doubles of this one. She's pretty stiff. I'll give her that. I like how this hammer, the little hammer, you can take that out of her hands. That'll go great with other stuff for photography, like Masters of the Universe. That'll go really good. But I had to get her, obviously. But I knew it was her from the sound of the weight. Oh, she's starting to get a little loose. And it's too bad they don't come off the stand. I think they're on there. Yeah, I'm not even going to take it off. See, she's top heavy like crazy. But cool. Don't even know what her name is. Leave in the comments and let me know. I believe she might be from New York. Not sure. Alright. So there's one. Come on. We need Sonic. We need that Hedgehog. I do not want to buy any more of these. And not because they're expensive. All I want is Sonic. That's it. Just Sonic. They put these tear things on them, but they are absolutely terrible. Alright. Let's pray. Purple lights, purple ball. Blue Hedgehog. Let's go. Yes! Yes! It's not the rare one. We don't got the rare one. But we got him. Yes. Thank God. That's all I wanted was Sonic. I wanted a Sonic. He can get some great poses too. Looks like he's taking off. Just too bad the legs didn't move around a little bit more with the feet. But yeah, we got Sonic. So I think I'm done. We got Sonic, we got Knuckles, and we got the girl, whatever her name is. So we got them. Last night we got Knuckles. And he fits great in my plant. He looks great in my plant. But yeah, perfect. I might grab a couple more just to see what I get. Because, I mean, I don't even care if I get doubles anymore. What's up, Mike? You missed it, so we opened one. We got her. Not sure of her name, but I figured it was her. So we got her. And then we just got Sonic. So that's what I was going after. It's not the rare one, but we got him. That's what I was going for. Then we got Knuckles last night. So, like I said, I might grab a couple more. Doesn't matter if I get doubles now. I'll just give them to the kids. Yeah, I might get a couple more. I'm going to try and go after the rare Sonic now. The one with the claws. I really like that one. Try and get that one. But I got one Sonic, so that's the main thing.